Hi there, this is our Runmaster single phase lathe. It's quite a reasonable size lathe for a single phase. General conditions good, and it ticks over nicely. Someone's fitted a bit of a stop start here, emergency stop start, and a isolation switch for up at the main wall. Okay, this end's tidy, it's tidy under here. Got your single phase motor and full length splash guard there. Bed condition's good, that chuck looks good. The standard tool post here, someone's milled one side of it a little bit lower, obviously to fit a bigger tool. It has got a little bit of damage on that cross slide mount there where the chuck's touched at some stage. Bed looks good down here, and for some reason that tailstock's green, but it's got the white underneath it, so I'm not sure what the story is there. Okay, we'll start with here. It feels good on the inside of that tailstock taper. It's got the metric and imperial on that quill, and it's nice to move, and that lock's working nicely, and so is that other lock. Carriage is nice and easy to move, and so is that cross slide. It's got a little bit of movement in there. Compound slide, a little bit of play. Okay, well, we'll start it up. I'll put it in a low gear and I'll run you through those feeds. That's forward, neutral, reverse. It's nice and direct, that detemp, it feels good. That's 70 RPM. And I've just started the feed shaft in one direction, now the other direction. And then if I move this, it starts the lead screw in one direction and this changes the direction. This here changes your feed in your feed box there. I'll engage that lead screw, so that's engaged there, heading that way. Disengage, change the direction, engage, and now it's coming towards me. So that's going in and out nice. I'll run through those feeds. So now it's on the feed there. That's the carriage coming towards me. And that is the cross slide going in. And I can change that. And now the cross slide's coming out, and carriage going that way. So those are the feeds. Then I can put that in neutral, and they're all working and feel nice. We'll run you through the rest of the gears. So that was 70 RPM. Next one will be 115. Next one will be 190. 300. And I'll put it into high range from there. Next one will be 460. 755. 2 more. 1255. And last one, 2000. So those are the gears there. And there's not much more to say. It's never had a coolant system on it. And there it is.